So I think, as someone that has the EU stars in place and not I am honest that the European Parliament is far from perfect. And I think often the values and the principles that underpin the project get lost in the bureaucracy of the institution. And I have my own beef with them, personal beef. So all winners of the Charlemagne Youth Prize automatically get offered a traineeship, a human traineeship at the European Parliament. So they offered it to me, and because I was campaigning against Brexit, I dropped out of my university BA degree. And when I told them that I didn't have a BA degree, they said to me, "Oh, sorry, you can't do it then. We withdraw the offer." So even though I'd won their prize, and it's this kind of rulesy approach that I think kind of misses what the institutions are about. But I think what's important to remember is where the European project came from, and that is a continent that was historically ravaged by war. And it's about them coming together and finding solutions through talking and dialogue rather than destroying each other and killing people and losing lives. And I think that is at the crux of it. It's far from perfect. There's many room for improvement, but it's better than the alternative, the nation state. And you only have to look at the mess that is Brexit to see that the alternative is not a good option. We've lost our rights, we've lost our privileges, we've lost so many benefits of EU membership, it's destroying our environment. The country is in a mess. So, yes, I think it is what's cracked up.
Can I have a standing ovation? and all your panel members. Thank you very much. And also for the organisers of the event, the New Europeans.
This song is called Bridges Not Borders.
Bridges will stand where borders will fall. There is no support for this dividing wall. People so unaware of consequences untold. Now the extent of the threat that's posed begins to unfold. The deception uncovered. It's time to think again. The final say must be given to all women and men.
But this song is important for the EU elections. It's a song that I've written for a project I'm working on to mobilise young voters, and it's called It's Time to Vote.
When those who lead us let us down at our expense, it's easy to think they're the same and stay sitting on the fence. But nothing will change with complacency, it stays the same. We can only be losers when we walk away from the game. And we haven't lost the battle till we give up the fight. As long as we are trying, we can keep our dreams inside. It's time to stand up. It's time for hope. It's time to speak up. It's time to vote. It's time to be heard. It's time for hope. It's time to come together. It's time to vote. It's time for change. It's time for hope. time to vote.